Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a video for all of you out there that have YouTube channels. There's a scam going on, and it's actually gaining more and more momentum. And just be careful because it's always in the same way. I actually got one of those scam emails. So the email comes from a weird email address, so already you know that it's kind of weird, and they don't mention any content, they don't mention anything in it. They just say, hey, I observed that media content under my ownership is currently available on your page without authorization from me. Already it says on your page instead of on your channel. This seems to be constructed by AI, by the way. And says, please take a moment and contact me by email as soon as possible to address this matter and address it efficiently. And they said no response will give, we'll have to file a copyright protection request and blah, blah, blah. So be careful. These are scams. And, I've had once a real email from someone that told me that one of the pictures I've used was from a business, and they just told me what picture it was. And so what I did is just removed it and replaced it with something else. I use Google search for images. Sometimes for images I use on the channel. What happens is that even if you choose that you want to have Creative Commons images that have no copyright, some pictures that have copyrights do go through. So sometimes it can happen that you, by accident, you got a copyrighted image. So this is something to be careful. If you have a YouTube channel, don't give in. Don't, if you suspect that maybe there's something, you can just ask what is the content. And, but, just the fact that they already don't say what content it is. So be careful out there. Lots of scammers are trying to, steal your YouTube channels. The way it works is that I just replied that, of my knowledge, there was no copyrighted content on my channel. And what happened is I got a response with a big link that brings you to a page that looks like a YouTube copyright claim. And it says that you got 2 strikes and stuff like that. It's absolutely false. It, of course, asks you for all the details of your channel so that you can log in, but on a fake page, because you could see at the top the URL is not even YouTube. And so basically what they're trying to do is steal your YouTube channel and transform it in whatever, and you lose control of everything. So be careful if you have a YouTube channel. Okay, this can happen. It there's a lot of YouTubers out there that have this happened. I know that some got actually caught by this, being afraid of losing their channels or everything. Just remember that this is always a scam. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.